paneer, we need 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil, fresh finely chopped green chili, some finely chopped garlic, some finely chopped ginger. For the vegetables, we need all 3 bell peppers, cut into triangles, onions cut into petal shape, paneer cut into triangles. For the sauces, we need homemade chili paste as per taste, 2 teaspoons of light soy sauce and 2 teaspoons of dark soy sauce. We can also add some mushroom oyster sauce to it, around half a teaspoon. For the seasoning, we need half a teaspoon of white pepper powder, salt as per taste, and a pinch of sugar. For our wok tossed noodles, we need pre-boiled noodles, around 1 cup, some carrot cut into fine juliennes, some finely shredded bok choy and cabbage, and all 3 green, yellow and red bell peppers. To start off, we need a wok. आप अपने घर में कोई कढ़ाई भी यूज कर सकते हैं. I'm putting in some oil. जब भी हम ऐसी वोक यूज करते हैं, we need to make it a little non-stick ताकि चीज़ें चिपके ना. उसके लिए we just put some oil and उसको हम आसपास स्प्रेड कर देते हैं. In this oil, we'll add some finely chopped ginger, a lot of garlic, and some finely chopped chilies. Just need to make it a little light brown. We don't need to overcook it. For the vegetables, we're going to put all 3 bell peppers and the onions. Just going to give it a nice toss. Okay. I'll add some salt, a little bit of sugar, and some white pepper. Mushroom oyster sauce for some extra flavor. If you want, you can skip it, but I feel इससे जो आपकी dish है, it will go on to another level. Some homemade chili oil with chili paste, some light soy sauce, and some dark soy sauce. I'm just going to give it a good toss. अब इसमें हम फ्राइड पनीर ऐड करेंगे. जो पनीर को काटा था, उस पे हमने कॉर्नफ्लावर स्प्रिंकल करके उसको फ्राई करा है. I already had it fried, so I'm putting it directly. Now because we are making a gravy, so हम इसके अंदर ऐड करेंगे some water and some cornstarch slurry. Cornstarch slurry means कि हमने कॉर्नफ्लावर एंड वाटर को मिक्स करके एक पेस्ट बनाया जिसको हम इसमें डालते हैं फॉर थिकनिंग. Now we just need to cook it जब तक ये मिक्सचर थिकन ना हो जाए. And for color, you can add more dark soy sauce. You must be thinking कि मैं light soy sauce और dark soy sauce क्यों use कर रही हूँ. Light soy sauce gives the saltiness, while the dark soy sauce gives the color. So we'll just wait for it to thicken. Now we can put some finely chopped green onions on the top. So we're done with one component of our sizzler. So now we'll start with the second component, that's the wok tossed noodles. Take the wok. I'll put in some oil. Some finely chopped chili. Some finely chopped ginger. And some garlic. Again, we just want it to be light brown. Bok choy and cabbage. Carrot julienne. As to what vegetable you can use, you can put any vegetable. You can skip some vegetables or add more. It's totally up to you. Now, we'll add the seasoning. A pinch of white pepper. Some salt. As per taste. A little bit of sugar. Just give it a nice toss. Now, I'll be adding the noodles. These are pre-cooked noodles. All you need to do is just boil the noodles in water and keep stirring them with chopsticks so that they don't stick to each other. For the sauces, light soy sauce, dark soy sauce. If you want, you can also put some rice wine vinegar. And I'm now just going to mix it well. I'm just going to put a few drops of water. It's a trick. Just to set the seasoning well. Just to set the seasoning well. And we are done. We can now transfer our noodles to the bowl. Now we come to the last part of our dish, that is assembling the sizzler. So we have already put the sizzler plate here. It needs to be red hot. It has to be that hot that the smoke comes out. So now I'll start putting the cabbage leaves. After putting the cabbage, we can transfer our plate right here for the assembling. So once you are done with that, now we'll add a gravy, that's chili paneer, and that's when you get to hear the real sizzle. Now we are going to garnish it with thinly shredded capsicum and some microgreens. Now I'm just going to sprinkle some spring onion. I made these crisps in order to add some texture. One of my tricks, just to let the smoke come out, just add some water and some oil. So our sizzler is ready. I hope all of you can enjoy it at home now.